What's going on YouTube? Welcome back here. Today this is the new sneakers. Nike SB Dunk Low CNY. This is a very colorful one. From Turbex you can look very colorful. Both with different color. And the front here got different material and different color. You can look, this is a very smooth one with the copper, and then this is the gray suede. So you can look how special of this one. And on the shoe last, one is the white, the other one is the black, including the shoe tom, also with different color, white and black. On the top got Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Including the color, you can look the inside of the colors. One is the flash green and another one is the copper. Shoe part also is different color and different pattern. Very special. Check out both in the side. Ooh, how colorful! Really beautiful of this one. Our Nike shoes also with different color and different material. So you can guess how beautiful of this one. Another side of this pair, this one got a logo here, like the coins pattern. And the back side got the Chinese letter with different color. Can look the whole pair with different color. It's very colorful. And the bottom also with different color, yellow, blue. Okay, and then now let me show this pair on foot. Should be very cool with this so colorful. Ooh, these shoes is too big for me because it's men's size. Okay, so that's all for my today's video. Thanks for seeing you next time.